Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Have you ever had a desire or wondered to learn the piano, but you don't know where to start from? I got you covered. If you have the earnest desire to learn how to play the piano and you don't know where to start from, I got you covered. Today, I'm about to show you your first piano lesson if you've never played the piano or never touched the piano. Yeah, this is Miracle. This is my channel. I want you to subscribe if you are new to this channel and hit on that notification bell, and then you share this video to as many friends as you can so they can also journey with you to learn your first lesson in your piano journey. Head on, let's go to the lesson. So first things first, point one is for you to be able to identify what you see on the piano. In this case, if you look on the piano, what are some of the things you can identify? About the keys. When you look on the piano, you are able to see black keys or black notes, and we see white notes also. So your first thing here, your first lesson is that you are able to identify the black notes and the white notes. Now look at this, we have them grouped in a very organized way to give us a very beautiful sound. You see this? These are a group of two. These are a group of two black notes. These are a group of three black notes. You keep this in mind. Group of two black notes, group of three black notes, and we have the white notes all together. The second thing you need to know is for you to be able to know the names of all these keys. I want you to know that just like humans have names to identify them, so also these keys have specific names to identify them. I'm sure you've ever played or hit a note on the piano before, but you don't know what it is called or what to call that note you just hit. Don't worry, I got you covered. So let's learn the names of these piano keys. Now, the piano keys are arranged or given the name alphabetically, just like A, B, C, D, like that going. But we've already stated that the piano is only 7 notes. So in your alphabet, you start from A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then you start again, that is your A. By looking on the piano, I want to show you some map lines so for you to be able to identify your first C, your first F. They can easily be identified. So looking on the piano, we have group of two black notes, group of three black notes. So when you hold a group of two black notes, the bottom of it is what we have as C. C. If you have C, the next alphabet will be what? D. The next alphabet will be what? E. And the next alphabet will be what? F. And we come to G. And we come to A. And we come to B and C. Remember that the names of the alphabet ends at G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then you start A, B, C, D like that again. So let's go again. Group of two black notes. The bottom of it is your C. The next note will be your D, E, F, G, and A. Now that is group of two black notes to identify your first C. When you come to a group of three black notes, the bottom of it is your F. So F, G, A, B, C. See, group of two black notes, you have your C here. So if you have come this far and you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to hit that notification bell. I want you to like this video and comment C if this lesson is actually going well with you or if you are really getting understanding from this lesson. So let's do a little recap. The first thing is for you to be able to identify the keys on the keyboard, knowing that we have black keys and white keys. That's the first thing you need to know about the piano. Once you look at it, you see black and white keys or notes. The second thing you need to know is that the piano is only 7 notes or is only 7 keys. and these 7 keys carry 7 names of the piano. And thirdly, you have to also learn that we have group of 2 black notes and group of 3 black notes. Number 4 is that the alphabet, the names of these 7 notes are arranged alphabetically. And so it starts from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and back to A. So how do you find your first alphabet C? Touch the group of 2 black notes. The bottom of it is your C, and the next one is your D. The next one is your E. Next one is your F and G and A and B and back to C again. So group of 2 black notes, the bottom of it is C. Group of 3 black notes, the bottom of it is F. And so from today, when you stand before the piano and you hold any of the notes, you are able to hold it and call them out. I'm giving you this very assignment. This is your first lesson. Look out for me. In the second or in my next video, I will show you how to play a song using some of this alphabet together. Some of this alphabet together. I'll show you how to play songs with some of this alphabet together, and I'll take you to your next level of your piano lesson 2. This is your piano lesson 1, a recap of what you have learned. Know what the piano is made up of: black and white keys. Know the group of 2 black keys, group of 3 black keys. Know that the piano is only 7 notes or 7 keys. Know the names, that they are alphabetically given names: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And also know that how to identify your first alphabet C is group of 2, the bottom of it, that becomes C. Then you go on with your D, E, F. Know also that group of 3, the bottom of it becomes your F, G, A, B, back to C. This is your first piano lesson. I want to give you an assignment as you go and practice the names of these notes. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video, your piano lesson 2.